This is the Mini Brands Fill the Fridge. We're going to do an unboxing, just see what all comes in here. I did pull off the outer plastic wrap already. It does come already preloaded with batteries. This is what's going to give us the refrigerator light as we open the door. So why don't we start by opening the bottom. It's got the 2 drawers down here. These actually pull out. This is really nice if you're collecting any of the pieces. This is nice because you can actually put your food into these drawers. Then you've got these top trays, like one of these could hold ice. All right, now let's open the top. Nice magnetic closure that shuts really nicely. We can open the top. Oh, there's a lot of stuff up here. See what we have. Let's open this first bag. So this looks to be the components, I think, probably to build the door. It's probably what we're going to do to set up the fridge door. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, looks like we have some awesome mini components. I'll hold up each of these once I get them out of the container. This is fun stuff. Okay, so looks like I got some tongs. I got some jelly glue. I don't know if those go together. That looks like a jelly mold. Maybe I put the jelly glue in there to make a jello. I don't know. All right, let's see what's in this one. This looks like a plate. And this looks like there's some stuff in there. These look like orange slices to me. Oh, I love the sodas. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited about this one. I don't have one of these. This is a strawberry vanilla and an ice scoop. That's so fun. I could put that in that drawer in the freezer. Make sure you really look in all your packages. This is a refrigerator magnet. You actually can put the magnets on the front of the refrigerator. The top part of the refrigerator did require some assembly, but it was super fast. It just took me a couple minutes, and I got all the shelves inserted both on the inside and on the door.